I forgot my name badge.
Your name badge?
Yeah.
I think that would have been better.
I haven't heard anything, so.
Where's my name?
Okay.
I forgot mine too.
Mine's on my desk. Picture thing, so I can hear what
Oh
she's
yeah,
saying about it.
Yeah.
I think I haven't listened to it yet. I should probably
You
do it
probably
today.
should do that.
Yeah. Is it a lot? A lot of work?
One of them is 34 slides and the other. For
Yeah.
sure.
I think I saw you in the parking lot.
Really?
Yeah.
When?
Or not.
Well, she was like, what was I doing?
How's your kitty going?
Oh, she's doing really good now.
Is she back?
Yes,
Good.
yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I almost like texted the group chat. I don't know if you sent it back, but I was like, I almost texted and asked how the kitty situation was going on, but I didn't want to upset you
Yeah,
if it
she's
wasn't
doing
going
good.
Do you have any pictures of him or her?
Yes, oh my gosh, I have lots.
That is a really fast picture. Like
I
how old
love
is
that. Oh, I think 2 years now?
he? 2?
Yeah.
That's a little baby.
Yeah. Let me see.
How did you meet him? Like how did you?
So, we actually, my cousin's ex-boyfriend bought her a kitten when they were still in a relationship. And then they broke up, and then my cousin didn't want to take care of the kitten anymore. So, we got it.
No way.
Yeah,
That's her
literally.
responsibility.
Yeah.
I left the little white bean on his nose.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
His eyes so like twinkling.
We always say that was before I went into work.
Good morning. Make sure you guys are staying with your clinical.
I love it.
Are you making a montage of our last year's college? You're gonna make a big video presentation.
Literally, death.
What are you eating?
Muffin.
What kind of muffin?
Stand up and show your belly.
Banana.
I ate toast this morning with Nutella on it, bananas. It was so good.
I have black coffee,
That's pretty classic.
so so fulfilling.
Yeah.
A lot faster. Yeah.
It's a lot smaller than I expected, but it's still compact.
Cute. Thanks.
Cute.
Oh, like, listen. I'm not the one.
Very healthy. I usually eat very healthy, but I have Doritos and carrots today. So this is what I have in here. Because if I drink any more bangs, I'm gonna go into cardiac arrest. So this is apparently supposed to be more healthy for me.
Got it.
Today, I won't get back home until 9 after practice, and so
And they were like, send him to triage. He couldn't hardly get up, and his whole toe was like black and like.
That was real fast into it, too. And I literally had no idea until my husband was like, your door is messed up. And I was just like, oh, yeah, it's been a little bit. He's like, no, look outside the car. And I was like, oh, wow, yeah.
That's cute.
Forgot to bring my phone.
Is Caitlin coming back today?
Oh
she
no,
coming back
she
tomorrow?
told me she'll back tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh no, today, but
Because I miss her. I love your pop sucker.
Oh,
That's so cute.
Oh, thank you. The other day, my friend told me where did I get it, and then I said Korea, and she was like,
Like, okay. Okay. Get lunch. Oh, yeah. Get the shoes.
"Get the shoes."
Yeah.
Yeah.
See all of these.
So that's how most people are like, you are, aren't you? And I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm okay.
I love pink. Thank you.
cute. I really like this.
Really?
I like this color, yeah. Because pink is like my favorite color.
It is.
It's a BTS. I forgot.
More things. That's BTS. That's I got from Elena.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
for BTS. Oh.
That's yeah, where I got from Busan.
Are these pictures from Busan?
Yes.
Did you see this in real life?
Yes. That's a very famous bridge in Busan. And this one is beach. Wait, is it magnet?
This-
Magnetic thing? Wait, I think it's not mirror, it's just magnet. Yeah, that's just
Magnet.
magnet.
It's cute. I like it. It's watercolor.
And then there's another thing, makes powder.
I like a drink.
Yes. I recommend like a hot milk or just milk. Or
Okay.
it could be like water or milk.
Ooh.
Just it's up to your preference.
Yes. Fish in the hospital.